All right, let's make sure everything's up and going. Nice. Okay, today I want to work on, well, first of all, happy Thanksgiving yesterday. Yes, happy Thanksgiving. And it's Black Friday stream today. Excited to get streaming and just do some programming. Probably be able to get a few hours in. Should be fun. Today, where are we? Here we are. I have a mouse. There it is. Okay. I want to work on see to do today. Let's see this. Let's do this. Build out tests for, it's probably what I'll spend out the whole day doing, building out tests for our abbreviation table. Parser. So that's kind of my goal today. Last time we streamed, I think I got the parser down to a testable state. I don't think it's correct. I think there's probably some bugs in it, but I want to test it out because I actually have any tests for it. So that's what we're going to do today. We'll build out some snapshot tests, and then I'd actually like to build some random tests that we could just have test randomly and then report if there's a failure. So I think that'll be good. Let's get to it. So first is we need to build out our snapshot test. What we need to build here for a snapshot test actually is a format function for the abbreviation table here. So what we probably want to do is have it format a bunch of format functions for the substructures, like format and index pack struct. Well, that should probably be fine. Yeah, let's build a format function here. Not quite ULEV 128. In fact, probably need to move that out. Oh, not what I wanted. Let's see it right here. Let's see, pub function. Let's do just format. And format. There we go. And the way we want to format this function is going to be, let's see. Okay. Got the abbreviation table here. We go self. Whatever. You want to do an abbreviation for the let's just test this out for right now. We can play around with it after. Because actually, this shouldn't be too hard to do. Well, I don't know if we actually need this. Right there. Let's build up the test first, then we'll see. Okay. Test. Parse. Don't need this to be a doc test. Just test it. Test parse. Snapshot. And first we need to build out a snapshot of our data. So actually what I want to do is this. Let's rather than generating a whole bunch of things. Well, that's Zig. So I want to make sure that LLVM. Okay, perfect. Let's do this. Object dump and object dump. And I want to remember what it is, the dwarf. Dwarf. Yeah. You really want just the brief table. Actually, I want the I want to do headers, section headers, yeah. So object dump -h. And actually, yeah, it's I think I can give it the section header I want. Yeah, section headers. Thought I could just give it the name. Header. Display summary information section headers, file, note, cases, whatever, we'll just do it. Object dump header. Obj dump -h, and we want to do zig out. Yeah, bin test bin. Okay, and the one we want is debug brev 00. I think that's the offset. Let's just to be sure. Yeah, file offset. So we want to go in 116d6. Okay, 16d6. So then we want to do, and how long, how big, what's the size? 0f is 8f0. Okay, so we do hex. Oh, what's it called? It's not hex dump. I think it's obj dump. Oh, what is it? Hex dump? That's not it. Just dump. Whoa, man, I can't remember the command here that I want to use. Just gives me the bytes. Uh, Linux command dump bytes of file -c. What is the name of the command? Maybe it's hex dump. Let's just see. Man hex dump. Oh, it is hex dump. Okay, I'm just incredulous. Hex dump. Well, now we got to do the object. I don't remember the name. Debug. So now we do hex dump -c for a minute, and we will get just the section of that we want from it. We do dash it's 1 byte octal length, and what's the offset? Skip -in -s in is 8F0 and dash 0x8F0 to be sure, in dash S. Oh, no. Yeah, that's X 8F0, and then dash S is you want to skip to the 0x16D6. Illegal seek. X failed. X dump. Oh, and gotta give the name of the file. Zig out /bin /test bin. There we are. So this is the format. Did I not put it in dash canonical mode? -c. There you go. Canonical. Let's see canonical mode here. What we get our dump. So now I want to just slice that set of file. It's a lot, but it's worth it. So we're going to parse this out. How many is it? 8F0, it's 256 times 8. So a couple kilobytes. Okay. Man, hex dump. What was 1 byte? Hex is X. There we go. To, let's see, what do we call this? A brev test. Let's see. Call this dot debug yeah, turn this into string here. Okay. And we want to clear out all the white space. Star. G. See, let's call this test bin. No, debug. Control P. Where were we at? Oh, abbreviation. Gonna do this. Const test. Const header. Let's call it debug rev equals control ink paste. There we go. So now we got that table. We just need to parse it. Parse testing dot allocate standard dot testing dot allocator, and the next value is going to be debug abrev. Say parsed equals parsed is that try. Okay, and const. Let's see. Const snap equals at import snap. I don't know why this is highlighted. Snap function, I believe is what it is. Snap function. Snap. How do I import this? Okay. Snap equals snap dot snap function. Is that right? Snap function source. Yes, that's right. Snap. Snap underscore function. I should change that. Should not be like that. Application. That. Okay. Snap. At source. Snap. Yeah. Okay. What do I do? Snap. Snap. Yeah. Looks like that. And then we diff at the actual. Okay, that's thought there was something. So we need to make we need to format the diff. Yeah. Okay. Control. Format. No, that diff. Actual. Const actual equals try print see standard.format.print alloc print testing that allocator and comp time gonna just be right now. And we're gonna do first. Okay, that doesn't like that I'm not taking a reference here and a pointer here. The address of that is that. I thought that's what I wasn't happy about. Parameter type cast discards const qualifier. Parse the const. Parameter type declaration. Is it not like here? Error expected type const found pointer to pointer to, okay, so now it doesn't like that I have the thing there. Okay. That is fine. We can fix that. We'll no longer take a pointer to this. Snap. No module snap available within root. Snap. Import. Snap. Shot. Okay. That makes more sense. Consider using try 241. There's no way that this passes. It can't pass. It shouldn't pass. That's a real head scratcher. Um, it should fail. It does. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, so there's no format function for abbreviation. Any? It thinks that that's okay. Hmm. But we should debug this. Let's debug it right here. Lib tests. Lib tests. Did not do. Oh, I need to rebuild this. Okay. Zig build dash dash test dash DLLVM. Hmm. Didn't like that. Did I mess something up? Valid enum value. Zig build test. Test. It's just prominent compile errors. Summary all. So yeah. Why is it not failing over here? Oh, it did fail. It has been failing. The unit tests failed, and it just wasn't okay. Well, that's useful, though not as useful that it fails without making it super known. 60 has children. Right here. So why did it not break point on my XE tests? Okay, so that did work. So I want to see what our slice is. And see. What? And I want to okay. it fails. Oh, I need to recompile it. Oh gosh. Every time it fails to build or fails to there, I need to recompile. We're gonna just add it to our watch right now. -D. There we are. The S. The N of the N on the N. See where we are at. Slice. Oh. Alt E N or Control whatever. Leader D N. And so our code. Have we not set the code yet? Oh, the code is used elsewhere. I want to know what code is. Code 44. That sounds about right. Okay. Then let's go next. Let's get our tag. Okay. A 0. Tag for 0, huh? Code was encoded as 44. Let's kind of look at the code here. We got 2C. 2 times 16 is 34. No, 32. Plus C is, yeah, 32, 44. Yeah, 44. Then we should get 13. Why did we advance? Why did we skip 13? There's a bug there. Because 13, or hex 13, so we should be getting a value of 16, 17, 18, 19. We look at the tags. Should be getting a structure type. I don't think it should be a compile unit, right? Oh man. Right? Let's look. Going down. No, that's not it. Where are we? Yeah, tags. First of all, let's look at, make sure we got that right. 13, structure type. Abbreviation table for all compilation units are contained in separate object files. Abbreviations. Each abbreviation begins with unsigned, representing the abbreviation code. Check. We got that. Code is 0 is reserved for null debugging entries. The abbreviation code is followed by another unsigned LEB number that encodes entries tag. Coding for the tag names are given in table 7.3. So yeah, let's go. Definitely an issue with debugging this offset. What's delta? How many delta is 2? And what's our offset? Offset is 2. Delta, oh gosh. Okay, there is a bug in my ulib parser. Let's go to the ulib parser. Let's go to the tests for ulib parser. Okay. Expect equal 1. So yeah, we should advance one. We should have consumed 1 byte with this. Yeah, should just consume 1 byte. Excuse me. Um, okay. Result shift is 0. I don't need to multiply. I don't need to add the 1. Still saying that there's an error there. But I feel like that's not getting tested. That's my concern here. Let's see. Let's go back to adding this. I expect it to fail. Okay, did fail. Expected one, found two. Perfect. Let's see, let's do. Two. Go. Oops, yeah, that's not right. Should succeed. Okay. So let's get back to, let's do a little. And let's actually commit this save here. Second, let's do git. Yes, there we go. Want to okay, yeah. What I want to add is this test here. These changes. It signs. ED. Come on. fix bug in ulib parser. Turning to 1. Fix off by 1 error in ulib 28 delta tracker. There you go. Okay, let's go back to uncommenting all this. Okay, still failing on that, but now let's take a look at it with the debugger. Live exe tests. Ugh. Slice. I also want to see offset. And yeah. Delta. Okay, structure type, perfect. Offset plus delta. Has child should be the second byte, yeah. Should be 0. Let's take a look at that. Um, oh, wait, no should be. Then you make it 0x0. There we go. Still doesn't like it. Yeah. So it's okay here. It's just that later it goes wrong. Okay. So we need to take a look at why it goes wrong later. See, let's set a thing here. D. Shift C. No. Oh gosh. So what we want to do is set a breakpoint right here. We want, no, not here. Right here. The condition has to be has child is greater than 2 or 1. No args, elf parser, exit tests. Yes. Okay, the offset is 9. Has child is a 23. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This helps testing. So 9 bytes in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th byte here. Definitely not. Oh, does offset get reset at the beginning? Ah, ha, ha, ha. Oh. No, offset shouldn't get reset. Bytes. Oh. Bytes. Let's dereference bytes plus offset. Oh, bytes pointer. Yeah, bytes pointer. bytes dot pointer plus offset. Yeah, okay. So let's walk through this here. Okay. Boom, boom. Child 0. So it's offsets 1, then 3A is your F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's no way that what it's looking at makes any sense to me. It's saying 0 to 7. Let's go back to here. All right. Offset's 1. Makes sense. Okay. Offset here is now 3. Hey, VMPol, how you doing? Thanks for watching again. I'm just working on adding some tests for what I wrote last time. So for our abbreviation table parser, and right now I've run into an interesting bug, so I'm debugging that. So I0. Okay, bytes. Offset doesn't equal 0, and the bytes offset plus 1 doesn't equal 0. Maybe that was too clever. But anyways, then we're gonna do format. This is an empty format. Okay. So our offset's 15. No, our offset is now 4. We go back down to our data. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0F. So we should get a 16 for the next value. Or 15. So 15 should be the value. Let's do format. Okay. Okay. Offset's 5. Set the form. Switch. Okay, yeah, so there's not an implicit const, so we don't need to do anything. We append that. Okay. Do it again. Again. Nope, come to the end of our slice. Well, I'll try to talk because I haven't figured out how to get. Well, I know how to get music onto the stream, but since I'm on YouTube, there's more strict rules about it than on Twitch. Um, Otherwise, I get some royalty-free music. Well, I do have royalty-free music I could do. I just don't believe. I don't trust I don't trust YouTube and the copyright record companies to not falsely attribute it. So I'll try to talk so you can hear something. But have a good dinner, or hope you're cooking something tasty for dinner. Yeah, it's about that time. It's almost lunchtime. Again. I was gonna say, did you guys are you having a good Black Friday? But I guess it's not Thanksgiving yesterday over there. But you guys still get Black Friday, maybe? I don't know. Do you do Black Friday in the UK? Let's see. Yes, we should get a new code. Crap deals. Well, don't worry, they're bad deals here too. So the heyday of Black Friday is long past. Most of them are fake deals, where they say they lower the price, but they just raise the price beforehand, like most sales are. Okay, count tag offset is 8. I wonder. Oops. There's just a mistake here. 0017. So we should have a code just to check. The code should be 44 again? No way the code's 44. Did I have not progressed yet? Oh. Well, that's a bug right there. I need to fix that. Um, bytes should be offset always, because it's not the bug that I'm looking for, but it's a bug. So we'll get it in here. And we'll just check. Definitely okay. I guess it was the bug I was looking for. Um, why would that be? I guess it was. Um, okay. Now that bug is fixed. Okay. So it doesn't like that I don't free the memory. So let's go fix that. Getting complaints about not freeing my memory. Defer. Um, I need a dnet function for this, huh? I do. Okay, let's make a dnet function. Or see, function dnet. Let's see, take a self abbreviation. Cannot return error. Oh, it should also take the GPA that we use to do allocator. And we want to do, let's see, GPA dot defer, or no. So we're going to do defer, or not defer, we just want to run it. Do self dot brev codes dot free dnet GPA self dot extra dnet GPA and self dot formats dnet GPA. There we go. Now we can defer parsed dnet GPA. GPA and defer GPA dot or standard dot testing dot allocator free actual. And this actually needs to be the standard dot testing the allocator. Ooh. Cast the scars const qualifier. Oh yeah. Okay. Sure, this needs to be a pointer to self. And the parse needs to be var. That should work. Still have one failed unit test. And that is because the format does not match the expected format, which is what I want. Okay. So let's do that real quick. Let's make sure that that matches. And what we'll do is actually check. We'll compare it with object done. So let's rerun our tests here. Zig build test. See update snaps. Update. Snapshot. What is it for? It's a update snap. Update snap. Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay, now I should be getting passing tests. Ooh. Still getting some failing tests here. Let's take a look at our. Okay. Mm-hmm. So pointers. I have to change how we format the hash map. So yeah, we have to write our own format function, which is what I kind of expected. But now I know it at least works. Let's do this. Format, fn, format, format. Let's write like this. See, writer.write. Oops. Writer.write. Try that. And so once we do that, we'll want to we want to do formats. Let's see, write 1 2 3 4. She do writer.print. Self dot formats. And then we want to do extra. And we want to do what's in the upper F codes. You rev codes, and we'll finish it out with. We want to end all these with new lines as well. I don't remember the name of the font. Where would that be? Is that my Ghost TTY? Yeah. I can look it up in just a second. Let's see. CD dot files. Font. Hmm. I'm sorry, I don't know. I don't know what font it is. Uh, I set it up a while back, and I honestly don't remember what the font was. I think it's oh, it's some nerd font, but I don't remember what nerd font it is. Well, thanks. I do like it. What did it not like about my font, my function here? Expected, oh, found FN pub FN. That's just an issue with the way ZLS does its completions. And yes. Does it not like about this? Local variable shadows declaration of format. Oh. Oh man. Okay. That's fair. That's fair. Fair feedback. Oh, my format function, function. First of all, discards. It should be right all. Oh, it does a return a void too, so I just need to like that. That should work. Okay. Well, it didn't work. Oh, it did work. Kind of. So while executing a header decal test, parse the following test command failed. And it's just failing because expected this output found. And what is it? It's definitely the metadata. What's it called? Crem, the pointer. The pointer that is printed out in metadata. It's different, which is to be expected between different runs. I think all the other data looks the same, which is good. A little confused as to why it didn't print it out the way I wanted to print. Oh, because I'm not using the format function. Doi. That should fail, but it should fail a little nicer. Or fail the way I expect it to. Yeah, see? A bit better. Let's make that official. The official way I want it to be printed. So let's do it. Man. Zig build -e update snaps. Oh, I'm not a CD. There's BDB. There we go. Okay, that should. Yes. Okay, that's getting there. Oh, no. Yes. Okay, so now you look here, I've got it printed out here. Now I want to go through and format. I think we want to format the way this prints. Maybe. Actually, I just want to verify that this looks right. 16. Does it have length? The capacity? Yeah, I want to know. Kind of want to compare this. Let's save this for right now. Yes, let's see that. We need to make this change as well. We need to commit that. Don't know if we need to commit that. We'll commit the devlog as well. No, let's not commit devlog. We'll do that. And see, snapshot needs to be updated for sure. And since we updated snapshot, let's do that. Oh, we do need to update this one. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. Test. Add. Basic snapshot test for a brev debug a brev. Adds a basic test for parsing.debug a brev tables. We will want I will want to add more randomized tests for making sure this parses correctly. It will also, it could also be nice to just add a bunch of, add a module. I think that's something that'd be nice. A module with standard testing data that can then be imported into the test suites so that I don't have to have a large string of binary data just sitting in my code. There we go. There we go. Okay, well, I'm going to call it for today. You guys have a great rest of your evening, day, whatever time it is you're at. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.